The packaging system that you see is our model VerticL-PP dual bagging system designed specifically to meet the needs of the commercial laundry and healthcare industry. This system accepts linens either from an overhead sling or a cart where they advance to the load station. The in-feed hopper is available in multiple lengths and widths depending on load method and space constraints. The linens then move up the belt of the in-feed hopper via means of a switch that is controlled by the operators to advance the conveyor. Operators inspect the items and then toss them into the load chute equipped with light curtains to count the product. The correct amount is based on the recipe that has been selected on the operator panel. Once the count has been reached, the gates will close so that a bag can be produced while the operator is continuing to load products. The material with linen items advances and is tapped underneath the seal area to allow the items to settle in the bag before the final seal is made. Once the bag has been produced, it will advance up the conveyor to a customer tote and is then ready for transport to the end user.